Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Parker and St. John's local and long-distance movers near me. When you need the best relocating firm in Parker and St. John's, Arizona, we are the relocation firm for you. Not only will we help you maneuver within the area or beyond it, it all depends on your destination. We are 3Movers, and we are very close to you in Parker and St. John's, Arizona. We can confidently say that we are the best in the area, and we are the most customer-centric. We offer services of the highest quality, ensuring that our customers always get the best end of the stick, regardless of their moving situation. We are reliable, dependable, accessible, and efficient. When you patronize us, we ensure that throughout our business correspondence, we pay close attention to your wants and needs. We will provide you with the specific moving services you require. Do you want to experience the perfect relocation? Then 3Movers is the right moving firm for you. Long-distance relocations are very complex to plan and a bit of a hassle to pull off. At 3Movers, we are equipped to handle the complexities that these types of moves pose. We help our clients drop the perfect plan to make their relocation successful. What's more, our relocations are secure. That is, we make safety a priority throughout the move. You can trust our security consciousness. We also provide clients with insurance to secure their interests during and after the relocation. Our drivers are licensed and responsible, and they will get you to your location in one piece and on time. We boast an excellent relationship with the authorities in charge of relocations across the country, and this relationship helps us to secure the move to the positive side further. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.